Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable judges, respected teachers, committee of this event, and my dear friends. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, all praise is due to Allah, the most compassionate and the most merciful. Salawat and salam are for our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the perfect example of noble character and mercy to all creation. I'm Cindy Putri. In this golden occasion, I'd like to deliver a speech entitled The Role of Santri in Responding to Bullying, Violence, and Social Harassment. Ladies and gentlemen, in this modern world, education is not only about mastering science and technology, it is also about building character, developing empathy, and creating a peaceful environment. Unfortunately, bullying, violence, and social harassment have become serious problems and have threatened many students across the world, including pesantrens, madrasas, and public schools. Bullying is not only about physical harm. It includes verbal humiliation, spreading rumors, cyberbullying, social exclusion, and using power to degrade others. Violence and harassment can damage a person's mind, confidence, and identity more deeply than physical wounds. Islam strongly forbids such behavior. Allah reminds us in Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 11. The meaning is, O believers, don't let one group mock another, nor insult one another with offensive nicknames. This verse shows that Islam stands firmly against humiliation and mistreatment. And the question is, what is our role as Santri? Ladies and gentlemen, Santri are not just ordinary students. We are guided by the Quran, the Sunnah, and the teachings of our scholars. We are trained to have strong discipline, polite manners, and a heart full of compassion. Therefore, Santri have a special responsibility in creating a safe, respectful, and peaceful environment. Let me explain 4 important roles as Santri. Number 1, Santri as role models of good character. This means that Santri become examples of akhlakul karimah. The Prophet Muhammad SAW said, as in hadith narrated by Bukhari, the best among you are those who have the best character. Good character is not shown only through prayer or study, but through how we treat others. When Santri show good character, bullying loses its place, because a community built on respect will naturally reject cruelty. Number 2, Santri as preventers of harm, as in hadith narrated by Muslim. An Abi Sa'id al-Khudri radhiyallahu anhu qala sami'tu Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam yaqulu man ra'a minkum munkaran falyughayyirhu biyadihi fa illam yastati' fa bilisanihi fa illam yastati' fa biqalbihi wa dzalika ad'aful iman. Whoever among you sees an evil, let him change it with his hand. If he cannot, then with his tongue, and if he cannot, then with his heart. And that is the weakness of faith. This hadith gives us 3 levels of responsibility. The first, by doing action. If we are in a safe position, we can calmly stop harmful behavior. The second, by giving advice. We can remind our friends that bullying is wrong, or tell the bully to stop. And the last, by reporting. Reporting bullying to teachers, ustads, or school authorities is not snitching. It is amar ma'ruf nahi munkar, encouraging good and preventing evil. Santri must be brave to speak up, because silence can make bullying worse. Number 3, Santri as victim's companion. Many victims feel lonely, scared, and ashamed. They may lose confidence, struggle with learning, or even fear coming to school. Santri must create a safe space for them. We can help them by listening to their feelings, comforting them, encouraging them for help, accompanying them when reporting, and including them in activities so they don't feel isolated. Number 4, Santri as the agent of change. As the agent of change in real life, they can show their commitment in spreading knowledge and awareness about bullying. With our Islamic understanding, Santri can remind friends that bullying is forbidden and share Islamic values of justice and mercy. In digital world, bullying often happens online. Therefore, santri have a duty to practice and promote digital responsible, such as avoiding hate speech, hoaxes, and humiliating content. In other side, using social media for da'wah and respecting others' privacy. Being a santri is not limited to the classroom or mosque, but it extends to every corner of the internet where we leave our digital footprints. Ladies and gentlemen, bullying, violence, and social harassment are real problems that require real action. Santri have a unique role in addressing them, not because we are better than others, but because we carry the responsibility of Islamic values. Bullying and violence cannot be ignored. Santri must be the agents of peace. May Allah guide us to be santri who bring peace, brave, kindness, affection, and dignity. This is the end of my speech. I apologize for all mistakes. Thank you for all attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.